Hello and welcome back to my wood turning channel. I have been out and not wood turning, and that is part of why I'm going to do this video today. My hands, my knuckles have had a lot of arthritis. My wrists have some carpal tunnel from the work I do, and so I've been on for the last 7 months a path of trying to heal myself up. And one of the things that I have come across is something that I had researched years ago, which is pulsed electromagnetic frequency therapies, as figured out back in the 30s and 40s by Dr. Royal Rife, who used frequencies to combat illnesses and other problems, and even had success at exploding individual cells that were cancerous while leaving healthy cells next to those cancerous cells intact and healthy. So I sent off a request to the Coil Life Store, David Wong and his associates and partners there at Coil, and asked them if they would be willing to send me one of their products to do an unboxing and trial on over the next probably month. I will be using this device. So I wanted to do an unboxing video first, and then over the next month I will be following my journey, seeing how much recovery and lack of pain I get from using this device. So, wood turning community, my hopes is that I will return to wood turning once my hands are able to do wood turning again. I can't play my guitar, I can't ride my motorcycle, I can't do my wood turning, and these are all things that provide me with a sense of joy and meditative moments where I'm creating in a moment of meditation on my lathe, or playing guitar in a moment of meditation, listening to the music I'm playing, writing lyrics, doing whatever it is I'm doing while I'm playing a musical instrument. I also play flute, which I can play, but it's really hard with the swelling in my knuckles. Anyway, let me flip this camera around and we'll get going with unboxing. Okay, so here is the box they sent me. Let's get this opened up. No damage on the outside of the box. It looks really good in here. Got a little percentage off card for me on my next purchase. And a little stop, go here in order to set up my Coil. And then here's the box that the Coil Nano comes in. Nice little case. Pulls open. There's the Coil Nano. And there should be a amplifier controller unit in here. Let's see what we got. So that's in a nice foam. This is a dense foam packaging. And then there we go. Here is the control, the Coil controller unit. And then they also give us one large neodymium magnet, and then it looks like a small, maybe like 1/8 inch BB magnet. And then a little, oh, okay, here we go. 1-year warranty with the serial number. And there we go. Put all that back. Well, everything looks really good. I will be doing a series of videos showing how what the effects are of this on me, and hopefully I get back to wood turning. All right, well, there's the unboxing. Hopefully this device starts helping me, and I will be following my journey using this device, letting you know if I see any effects, what those effects are, how I'm using it. If I find any tips and tricks that I find along the way, I'm going to post some videos regarding that. Lots of love to everyone. Remember, we are all vibrational frequencies, and that's what this thing is all about. I'm going to be trying to use the vibrational frequencies to move the swelling out of my body, and I'm starting already by visualizing that process. Take care, everyone. Lots of love. Happy New Year. Let's get through this 2025 with lots of positive things happening, even though it's going to be a challenging time. Take care. All right, just a quick update here. I plugged the unit in and I'm doing a frequency test, and sure enough, it's creating an electromagnetic field. Plugged in to the frequency generator, and then I'm running the test frequency from Q-Life Store's web-based app on the Q-Coil or the Coil, and there it is. You can see it's creating a magnetic field.